parents. Thank you so much for signing up for our free 30-minute trial class. I am Miss J. I am your child's lead teacher and also director. Take a few seconds to listen to this video and it'll give you some important information that you'll need in order to have a successful trial school day. Our trial classes are in Easter time, 9:30 a.m., Monday through Friday. There is only one trial class per family, and you can find the trial links inside of your membership area. When you first sign into your membership area, you'll see an item that says Start Here. Click onto that, and you'll see the Zoom links and also an area where you could get more information on how to successfully prepare your child for their first day of preschool. In addition to our free 30-minute class, if you love our class and is ready to sign up for our preschool, then you'll also receive a 50% discount that's valid for 48 hours after you attend our trial class. And you'll receive 50% off of either our live classes, which are originally $39.99, and then for your first month, it will only be $19.50. And then if you decide for our premium program, originally that is $99 per month, but your first month will be $49.50. If you need help on deciding which program is right for you, feel free to give me a call and I will be happy to assist you. Or you can email me at contact@bee-lieveacademy.com. Before you attend your first trial class, look under trial class details for that week's details on class. Inside of that, you'll see supply lists and also printouts that you'll need for class. As for our class supplies, you don't have to go out and buy any fancy supplies. Most of the things that we require are items that you already have around your house, like paper, crayons, markers, scissors, pencils. Try to join at least 5 minutes before class so that you have all of your supplies ready and you'll also be let out of the waiting room. Our waiting room allows users to enter one at a time so that the teacher can look at the name and make sure that the right students are entering in the correct class. Before class begins, if you're able to rename your child's name as the screen name, please do so that we can call your child's name out during class. If you're not able to do that, just let me know in a message and I'll be able to rename your child's name in the Zoom details. To get the most out of our trial class, please try to use a device such as a tablet or a desktop or a laptop. But no worries, you can also attend our trial classes and our regular classes using a mobile device as well. Class participation is voluntary, so if your child just wants to watch along, that is perfectly fine. Let's take a look at our membership area and view some of our wonderful classroom teachers. So here are all the classes inside of the Beelieve Academy Live membership. And the premium membership looks very similar to this one, except instead of it saying live, it'll say premium right here. And they also have bonus classes inside of there. So we currently have 17 different classes such as ABC Bootcamp, Arts and Crafts, Music, Kids Dance Party, Preschool Circle Time with Miss Bethany, faith-based classes, cooking class, Spanish class, math, science story time, virtual field trips, faith-based with Miss Lavanna, ESL or English as a second language, circle time with Miss Rosia, and also abacus. And last but not least, you also have my class, Learn and Play with Miss J on Demand, which is updated a couple of times a month with new videos that you're able to watch with your preschooler. If you want a free preview, I'll put a link down below so that you're able to get a more in-depth look into our classes. It is my pleasure to serve you, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye.